It's a 2013 Nissan Maxima. Your need for a back seat doesn't mean your enthusiasm for driving has to take one. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: auxiliary audio input, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, auto-dimming rearview mirror, wireless phone connectivity, leather bucket seats, automatic transmission, power sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and V6 engine. Motor Trend remarks, Nissan has done an excellent job on the styling. It's so much better looking than the car it replaces. Nissan excites the senses so you can enjoy the journey. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
We offer superior vehicles. Come and see for yourself. We are easy to find on 5520 South Shaver, 1/2 mile east of the Gulf Freeway, exit 34.